Okay, kind of artifacty. If I'm not mistaken, this is actually. I have no idea actually. I actually have no idea. Uh, actually, I can open this here this way. If I can. No, wait, yeah, I can't here. You know what? No. The knife I'm using is a knife I got for my birthday one year. It's from Novelty Knife Co. So yeah. And yes, it is sharper than a Soul Devil's tongue. Oh. Huh. One is mushroom coffee, and yes, I'm about to make a cup. So yeah. So what's in here then? Hmm. This is super short, by the way. Gee, that cut like butter. Wait, knife safety. By the way, as you see, it is a birthday bolo. I got this one year for my birthday. Yeah. Huh. I was thinking that would be, I forgot. I have no idea what's in this one. I forgot. Oh, cool. Um, more dragon, fire dragon things so I can use the stove. Okay. This has like 7 um okay, it's BPA free, it's a product of Canada. It's vegan, has that one thing. So wait, I am not seeing how, oh, I shouldn't have shut that. That pretty much just is it here? I have a knife. Let's open it that way. Because that's what EDC knives are for. Yeah, I can't find my American one I have, but look, I found this one though. I have knife safety or knife awareness, so I am very good. This is sharp. Holy God! It is by Novelty Knife Co. Now I'm making the coffee in here because it's easier, you know. Yeah. It does have Arabica coffee in it, and like 7 different types of mushrooms. Let's open it to see how. Oh, cool! It has cool. Yep, I knew it was a. This is why I always have a knife with me because I do not feel like doing this stupid crap. It is against the bed, so it's okay. Yeah, that smells like coffee mixed with 7 different kinds of or 6 or 7 different kinds of mushrooms. Ah, how to? I know how to prepare. Okay, it's basically instant freaking coffee. So come on, it is made in Canada. Literally, that smells like mushrooms and coffee, and instant coffee. We're back. I'm gonna make a cup. Okay, so let's try some of this. I put some hot, some cold in here. Put this right here. This one here. Literally, this really does smell like. Literally, you put coffee and you put mushrooms in it. Supposedly vegan. You know, benefits like immune boosting, energy. I guess I. Do this. Let me do this, actually. And it tastes like it too. But how much the amount I put in here, since it's like a jillion ounce one, not bad, actually. This costs like $17 for. I don't actually know the amount. Oh, Best by 8 25 25. Oh, how to prepare? Put in freaking hot water and stir. That's the basics. Has 1 gram of protein in it, 5 calories. This is basically a calorie dense. This is a calorie dense thing, so I can drink this. Now I put. I mean, it tastes good to me, honestly, because I love mushrooms. I put maybe that much in to this. Trust me, because this is the first time I'm drinking this. I don't know if I would like it. But I can see myself drinking it. Yeah, okay. So focus, immunity, and energy. Well, the first ingredient is Arabica coffee. So. That's pretty good. Second cup of coffee. You can taste the Arabica coffee more because that's the first ingredient. Yeah. Also, I will be testing these out. I don't know when like it's not gonna be freaking raining. I like the amount that I put in here. I do. There's 60 servings per container. Serving size is 1 teaspoon. I probably put a little bit more because it's like a huge thing. By the way, this works for cold and hot. So, yeah, $15. Calories per serving 5, so like about 10. The fat is 0. The sodium is like, I think it says 5. Yeah, 5 milligrams. Carbs are 1. Fiber is 1 gram. Protein is 1 gram. Potassium, 94 milligrams. BPA free, which is good. I mean, I can see myself making this every day, like, or at least on a camping trip, so I can have more outdoorsy. Yeah. You can taste a little bit of mushroom, but honestly, not that bad. Now, the company is Grelim, Grelim. It's a Canadian company. Has Arabica coffee. Okay. By the way, that is my aunt's water tank thing, which I use. Antioxidants, I believe. I don't know. I can't really. I can't see none of this. Like literally, it. Okay, I know it is. I know it's keto because it's mushrooms and that's part of keto. By the way, my literally keto is literally one of the worst diets you can go on. This is coming from a dietitian I talked to. It's vegan. It has no fillers, which is probably bullcrap. It's gluten free. You know, in case you want to pretend like you have a gluten allergy. I mean, come on. I have no idea. I don't know what that means. The first one. At all. I really don't. Eh, I can see myself drinking this every day. At least for the health benefits, at least. Yeah. This does come with a straw, but I lost it. No idea what went. Okay. 1 second. I'll see how much I have left. I can't. I have foam left? Oh, I have a crap ton of foam left. Which basically means because I shook it up instead of stirred it. I mean, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Out of 5, honestly, the amount I put in there, maybe 2 teaspoons, I guess. I don't know. I just went. Um. Yeah. Now let's see what this says. Hmm. But good news, it's 100% natural and with Quebec grown mushrooms. Ooh. But yeah, this is classic as bejesus. Um, personally, this is not going to be for everyone, right? It's personally not. You know, it really isn't because it's you know mushroom coffee. I mean, come on. Um, Arabica coffee and a lot of mushrooms I can't see. Yeah. Uh, 60. I'm probably gonna, as much as heavy-handed I am as coffee, maybe 30 if I'm lucky. You know. I wanted to test this out so I could, because I need another cup of coffee, and I needed one anyway. So why not? Yeah. So yeah, yeah. Don't do this near your knee, like I just did. This is short. So yeah, um, it's not gonna be for everyone. Honestly, for me, yeah, because I actually like mushrooms, and this would be good for camping. Definitely has a decent shelf life, actually. Surprisingly. Oh, fair trade. It says fair trade. Basic directions is add 1 tablespoon or 2 grams of mushroom coffee to 250 ml, 1 cup, or 6 to 8 ounces of boiling water, stir and enjoy. Or if you have hot water, just put that in there. If the water you have is good. Of course, it says, I hope it's new. I'm gonna give this one last sniff because, oh my god, this is like weird. Oh god. Oh god. Let me open all this. Let me open all of this. Some of it fell out. Let's go. Okay. This actually gives me a chance to show you what this looks like. It literally looks like uh, instant coffee. It does. Yes, and it does really smell like coffee with mushrooms in it. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's healthy, so Why not? To be fair, I'm gonna say 3.5 to 4. Honestly, I'm gonna make another cup that's hot. Yeah, and honestly, as I said, it's easier to make this in here for the review because I don't feel like I have to wait for water to boil. Anyway, peace.